Sir said that you can able to talk with anyone. You can able to play a chess game. You can able to play anything, or you can generate ideas, or you can actually talk with them. Anyone. Thank you.
Okay, do you know about the new lenses of Google? Do you know about the new specs of Google? Okay, before talking about them, I will talk to sir. Okay, what is your opinion?
About which?
AI.
Uh, do you know what is AI means? Artificial intelligence. It means lot of uses for AI. Like for example, ChatGPT and Gemini is also example of AI tools. You can work very easy and faster by using of ChatGPT. Like if you want to do the work for 1 minute, it can help very only 1 minute you can work very easily. You have file, just put on ChatGPT, just do the command, then you can work very easily there, like only 1 minute.
Okay, so sir would like to speak more. Yes,
I will try.
Speak.
But some pros and cons are both. Do the use of AI basically uh, uh, is depend on if it's depend on skills AI. If you don't know AI, is the people is losing their jobs. Use of AI basically people don't know AI. That reason basically maybe.
Okay, so you would like to say means many people are there, they are not familiar with the use of this, but it is really a very powerful tool to get something done in short span of time. Okay, it is really a very good idea. Let me ask this girl also. Okay, and I am going to talk about two very secret or three very secretive things which you come to know about the inventions of the human. Okay, you will be flabbergasted. Yes, beta.
As per my opinion, artificial intelligence threats a human's job. AI is a tool, and it is provide many skills from humans, but they cannot do with himself. It 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 do with human, and it provide many skill at a time, but they cannot do itself, and they cannot fully understand things, and grow from for students, and the teachers, and robot.
Yes. So you would like to say that means they cannot be human. They can work like human, but in emotional context they can't be like humans. Okay. Yes. She would like to say something. Yes, beta.
So I want to say that AI has made people dependent on it. For example, as you said earlier, if all the members of a family are working and they are earning money, but half of that cost of money is going to be spent on the maintenance of that robot that is going to serve that grandmother in the house. And also, moreover, a grandmother does not need a robot to take care of her. She needs someone who would sit beside her and talk to her and will fulfill her needs. A robot cannot meet her emotional patch up
Beta,
with
if you
her.
don't mind, you are very young, but I want to